What if my case is immediately descheduled for interview? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States at our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. In today's video, we're talking about green card cases and naturalization cases, any cases that involve an interview at USCIS. And what we've been seeing on some of our delay cases are situations where someone has a 485 or an N400 that have been pending for a really long time, and they finally get an electronic alert or a letter in the mail that says that congratulations, you've been scheduled for interview, your interview is on such and such a date. And then later on that day or the next day, they get a letter in the mail or another electronic alert saying, due to unforeseen circumstances, your case has been descheduled. There's nothing for you to do now. We will let you know when your case is rescheduled. Now, I was talking to somebody about this the other day because it had happened to him. His name was MJ. And I said, MJ, usually when this happens, there are problems. There are problems with the case. And this means that I think what I told MJ, I think that there's a mechanism where if certain things haven't been accomplished, or if certain background checks or government agencies haven't signed off on your case yet, I think USCIS builds up to scheduling that interview, and then there's an override that sort of cancels the appointment. That's why we see it happen this way. So to me, this is a little tell that there's something wrong with the case. So if you have one of these situations, I strongly suggest that you talk to an attorney before you go to your interview. So once you get that descheduled interview notice, you should talk to an attorney because something's wrong with your case. The cases that I've had that are really hard interviews, really long interviews, I'm talking hours and hours long interviews for a simple immigration benefit like a green card or naturalization, are ones that usually came after a scheduled interview and a descheduled interview. I had a case earlier this year where I actually went to the interview and they showed up and they said, oh, we don't have your file. That's another great trick. But in this video, we're talking about descheduled interviews. And so if you receive a descheduled interview notice, I suspect there's something about your case that they don't like and something that's going to make your interview tough. So if you've received a descheduled interview notice, you should give us a call at 314-961-8200. You can email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. You can join us in our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home. We're going live in Immigrant Home and on YouTube every Tuesday and Thursday from noon to 1 p.m. Central. And we'd love to have you there answering your immigration questions. And then, of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get updates whenever we make videos just like this one. Finally, you can find us on Instagram at Hacking Law Practice LLC. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.